Count on available intelligent safety shield technologies and other available advanced features. Changing lanes? When a vehicle is detected in the blind spot area, blind spot warning can help let you know with an audible and visual alert. Lane departure warning can give you an alert when it detects you are straying from your lane, and lane departure prevention can help gently guide you back. Go with the flow. Intelligent cruise control helps keep a set distance by adjusting your speed to the flow of traffic. Forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection helps keep an eye on the vehicle ahead to help warn you of a sudden slowdown and can even apply the brakes. It can also apply the brakes when a pedestrian is detected. Rear cross traffic alert helps watch the area around the rear of your Rogue and can alert you to vehicles it detects approaching from either side. The Around View monitor gives you a virtual 360-degree bird's eye view of your surroundings, while moving object detection helps let you know when something is detected near your vehicle and lights up the quadrant where motion is detected.